AI can build websites fast, but most of them end up looking well generic. Relume is different. It is built to support designers, not replace them. Let me show you how it actually works. Hey everyone, today I'm walking you through my complete workflow using Relume. We are going from a simple project brief all the way to a finished client-ready design. I will show you how to create wireframes that actually make sense, build a design system that stays consistent, explore multiple visual directions, and export everything cleanly to Figma. If you have ever used an AI tool and ended up spending hours fixing what it gave you, this video is for you. Let me get into it. Look familiar. Everything looks the same. The layout are repetitive. The spacing is all over the place. Typography barely readable. And don't even get me started on the brand identity. These things create it just safe and boring. As a designer, we don't want tools that try to think for us. We want tools that handles the boring, repetitive stuff so we can focus on what actually matters. You know, the creative decisions, the brand strategy, the user experience. That is where Relume is different. It is not trying to replace your design thinking. It is designed by actual designers who understand what we actually need. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, so for this demo, I'm designing a website for a sustainability company called EcoWanta. They do clean energy solution for homeowner and businesses. Pretty straightforward project, but perfect for showing you how Relume works. First step, I'm putting my project brief into Relume. The more detail you give it here, the better your result. So I'm including who is the audience is, what they need to accomplish, the why we are going for all the good stuff. Before customizing the design, I will give you a quick walkthrough of the complete process if you want to start from scratch with Relume from prompt to UI design. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to click on the new project button and here we are. Okay, so as you can see, the first step is to define the sitemap. So I'm going to click on the sitemap and inside description, we have already created our prompt. So just copy and paste our prompt here. Let's select number of pages 1, click generate. It's really simple. As you can see, Relume is not working like generic AI tools working. Relume has like flexibility and full customization on every feature. So for example, as you can see, we have created a sitemap. We can create multiple sitemap. For example, I can just duplicate this sitemap and here we are. We have another copy of the project. We can start and recreate our prompt here, but I don't need to clear. So this is the flexibility of Relume. We can create multiple sitemap. We can even duplicate pages and do some experiment on these pages. Okay, so as you can see here, we are inside sitemap and now let's quickly zoom in. Relume understand our project brief and create section based on those briefs, not just a random approach like other AI tools are doing right now. So as you can see, we have full control. For example, I don't want this feature section here, so I can just select this feature section. I can drag it down. This is really cool. Okay, and also we can add section here. So for example, if I want, I can add about section here. So this is the flexibility Relume offers. So this is really cool. I am pretty happy with my sitemap. I can select this section and each section I can make it global. So now the next step is click on the wireframe here. Relume is start and creating wireframe, not just a static and default wireframe. No, Relume is thinking, understanding the project brief we provide. So we even didn't provide the content and the hierarchy, and we just provide our project detail, and Relume provide us that this feature is best suitable for your landing page. This section, I'm not sure. Let's check this section. I really like this section. I like this section. Here I can click here and just make the picture on the left and right. This is really cool approach. And some testimonial, let's check other testimonial. I like this approach, so let's use this one. And also we can, like for example, we can select let's try this one. Maybe let's check this one. I like this one. So here is again a big feature section and are really happy with this layout. And but only thing I want to change the header. So the hero section, let's quickly check this out, how much flexibility we have. We can create image, video. We can simply select on the header and we can swap the header. Look how cool this is. Okay, so I like this approach. This big picture and text on the top. Let's use this one. We can do all the customization here. We are not set to stone here, so we can't change anything. For example, I select this text, so I have two options. One, I can just manually type here, and then I can ask for the AI to like rewrite this sentence or make it shorter, make it longer. So this is the power of Relume. This is like a tool, not just a generic AI tool just to provide prompt, and we don't have any customization. Everything is fully customizable. We can swap sections. For example, I want this section to be at the top, and we are not locked here. Okay, so we have full creative freedom. This is working like a tool for us. Okay, so here we are inside wireframe, and I did some experiment with the section layout. So for the hero section, this layout services feature 1 2 and how it works, testimonial, and this big feature section and footer. So I really like this layout, and I finalized these sections. So now it's time to click on the style guide and adding colors, typography, images, and all these good stuff to bring it to life. So let's click on the style guide here. Okay, so let's start changing the color. So this is the first color, and as you can see, Relume AI is really intelligent, and they already decide green color for us. But I have a different green of my brand, so I'm going to change this main color. Just click here. Here is the color code. I'm going to copy and paste it here. So I really like this green for this is actually my brand color. So let's change the second one. So I have this bright color, bright green color, and just lock it. And for the third color, I have yellow orangish type color, so I think this yellow. Okay, so these are the three main color we are going to use in our design, and I don't need these, so let's delete this. For the neutral color, I want the neutral to be based on this primary color, so let's select this, and here we are. I really like this approach. And next we are going to define the typography. So for the heading, I really like this font. Okay, and for the body, enter is super good. And for the UI styling, let's make it full round, this default. Okay, and I think this default look is great. Okay, for the card and images, let's use this color one, and later on we can check. Also for the card, let's make it roundish. Okay, so I really like this more round look. So the first thing I'm going to do is to upload the brand. Okay, so for the logo, let's click here. Okay, so here we are, and this is our brand logo. And for the color, I'm going to choose this light color, and this is looking good. For this color, let's use this bright color and click on the imagery. For the image one, okay, so this image, and for the bottom one, this image. So as you can see, our hero sections look really good. Now for this section, first let's change the color. So I'm pressing command key on the keyboard. It show our color which we already defined, and it show the shades of each color. So I want to use the white one. Okay, so let's make it white. And next we are going to upload the images. So this is our service section. As we can see, we are going really smooth with our images, and our design and brand is looking really cohesive. Okay, so first change the color of this section. So let's make it this light. Yeah, I think let's use this one. So this is looking good. For the image, so as you can see, this is looking great. For this second section, let's first define the background color. So I like this color. Then click on the image. So as you can see, our feature section is looking really great. And now we are going to update or how it works. So the first thing, we are going to press command key on the keyboard and make it white color. Okay, next we are going to upload the imagery. Okay, so as you can see, our design is looking really great. Man, this is looking amazing. And now we are going to update our testimonial section. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make this secondary green color, and next we are going to upload our image. Upload this first image, and here we are. Our page is looking really great by applying our brand assets. Next, this is white. I really like, but let's quickly change the image. For the footer, press command key. Let's make it this color. Okay, so that it looks exactly to the brand color. And here we are. So I think we are pretty done with the style guide, and now it's time to click on the design here. And as you can see, our design is looking really great. And before clicking on the design, as you can see, we are still inside style guide. So let's quickly click on the duplicate concept, and we are in concept 2. Let's Relume decide what worked best for us. So let's click on surprise me button, and let's see the magic of Relume. This is power of Relume. We are looking at the screen, and the Relume AI is really working for us. I think we want to stick with our concept one. Can also change this to the light theme and dark theme. This is basically the dark theme Relume created for us. I want to stick with the light one, so let's click on the concept one, click on the design, Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this layout and this is looking really professional. And I want to use this layout, so let's quickly export it to Figma. Click on the export button. Here it says that export to Figma kit. Okay, so as you can see, we are inside Relume Kit Figma. So the first thing I'm going to do is to select the sitemap. Okay, now press command / and I'm going to run the Relume plugin. I'm going to select my project. First thing I'm going to do is to select the sitemap. Okay, so look at this. This was pretty quick. Okay, the next we are going to select wireframe. Select again the same project. Okay, so now we are going to select wireframe, start import. Okay, this was pretty fast. It took less than 2 minutes. So now it's time to import the style guide. So select again the project. And this time I'm going to select style guide and I like concept one. So start import. Okay, so after importing the style guide, now it's time to import our design. So click on the design. Okay, so this time we are going to select design. As you can see, home page is selected. Click continue. Concept one is fine. Start importing. Okay, so as you can see, this was super fast and I'm really impressed with this. As you can see, this is just a matter of minutes. This will take hours of times and now this is just a Relume converted in minutes. Our landing page is completed, fully converted to Figma, and here is the amazing thing is that we have both desktop and mobile version. Mean Relume can convert any design at the same time, full responsive to mobile. So this is really time saving and I really highly recommend Relume. Okay, everything is customizable and we can simply just edit anything we want. Okay, so that's it for the Relume. Give it a try and I will provide you the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and share the video.